Dear students, welcome to GAME, Gross and Microscopy Explained. In today's class, we shall be seeing the structures that are displayed on the screen for you people. Lymph node metastasis. A definite slide, but slightly difficult for undergraduates. Lymph node metastasis, we have to remember the following things. There are two structures histologically which will be having an identical picture. One is a lymph node and another is spleen. And within the lymph node, we have got two lesions. One is tuberculosis, other is metastasis. So we need not be confused at all. There may be another slide, namely the lymphoma, in which the lymph node is totally replaced. We shall be discussing it later. This is the structure of a lymph node. A lymph node is somewhat kidney shaped or reniform, and these are the channels called efferent channels which drain away from the node, and these are the afferent channels which drain into the node. These will not be seen in your slide. What we are going to identify will be the capsule, the lymphoid follicles, and the subcapsular sinusoids. Again, a diagrammatic picture which you people can draw showing the lymphoid follicles, afferent lymphatics, hilum, and the efferent lymphatic. The lymphoid follicle, we have got the paler area in the center and the darker area in the periphery, depicting these are the mature cells and these are the immature cells, and this entire structure is the lymphoid follicle. This is a normal slide. Know the normal, you will be able to identify the abnormal. We have to look for the capsule, which will be there, and the lymphoid follicle. Sinusoids are actually difficult to identify in a normal lymph node. Look at this particular picture. Here again, there is no abnormality except that I'm finding a capsule. These are the lymphoid follicles, but there are some distended pale areas which are called the sinusoidal spaces. Please look for these alone. Again, a diagrammatic and a microscopic picture just for us to recapitulate. You find that there is a capsule, subcapsular space of the sinusoids, and these are the sinuses, and a large lymphoid follicle with a germinal center. This is a diagrammatic counterpart of the same. So in this, again, I am finding the capsule, lymphoid follicle, and these are all the sinusoidal spaces. A number of diagrams are shown to you people only for a revision. Now, in this particular slide, let us recollect what are all the normal structures that we had earlier discussed. Externally, there will be a capsule, there will be large lymphoid follicles, and there may be subcapsular sinusoids. These are the normal things. But what is abnormal, we shall be seeing in this slide again. It is the same one, but I am concentrating only on the abnormal. A lymph node does not have these glandular spaces. Here I am finding multiple glands, slight variation in size, and they are immediately beneath the capsule because these are the subcapsular sinusoids. And there is another larger gland which is trying to invade the sinusoidal space. These are also abnormal metastatic deposits that we are seeing. And this particular slide can be focused for you people. What we are supposed to do is to identify the capsule, a fibrocollagenous tissue which is the capsule. And immediately beneath the capsule, this will be the site where we should look for metastasis, because the subcapsular sinusoid will be the first site where there will be a drainage and metastasis. Later on, they will be going into the dilated or distended sinusoidal spaces. This is a normal lymphoid follicle. So this is the last and the most important slide. Let us remember. I am able to identify the capsule, the lymphoid follicles. And look at this space. The subcapsular sinusoids are filled with tumor glands. They are irregular of varying sizes, and I am able to identify the lumina or the lumen in multiple glands. Hence, it is an adenocarcinoma. Lower down, they are invading the sinusoidal spaces. If the lumen and the glands are seen, it is an adenocarcinoma. If they are polygonal cells in sheets or nests, it is a squamous cell carcinoma. You can get any of these for your examination. Kindly apply the description accordingly. See you in game 20.